G'day everybody, it's Coach M here, and I am a former high-performance tennis coach turned corporate coach. I've actually represented the great country of Australia as a world team coach on 20 different occasions. So I bring a background of high-performance sport, unleashing human potential as a TEDx speaker, host of the coaching podcast, author of What Makes a Great Coach. Can't wait to share so many of the practices within the book and so much more on our As One team building day in Jaipur on Tuesday, the 20th of January, 2026. Here's what you can expect on the day. We'll reset, we'll reconnect and realign as one CIMET team. We'll explore how we communicate, how we show up, and how we live the company values, not just in theory, but how we lead each and every day. You can expect energy. I've got my Believe fortune cookie here, and let's just check out what it says. A great coach is someone who listens. Roger Federer actually said that, the great Roger Federer, the tennis player there. Some of you may know him. You can expect curiosity. So speaking of which, I'm not sure if you can see my gorgeous bracelet here, but please pop in the comments below, what do you think this bracelet is made out of? I will be revealing that in video 2. And you can expect a learn through play philosophy. We're going to be doing communication and coaching principles using a fun learn through play team building, lots of different activities. We're going to be working together, bringing out the best in ourselves. So expect to walk away feeling more connected, more confident, and ready to lead from wherever you stand. So I cannot wait to meet you all in person. And the only way I know how to be successful is to take action. So remember that the ball is in your court. See you all soon. Can't wait.